Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're looking at finding pairs of factors. Resources: counters in two colours, squared paper, a worksheet, 2 1 to 6 dice, mental learning objective. I know my multiplication facts. Mental learning task: spend a few minutes asking the class facts from the multiplication tables. Every now and then stop and discuss how to work out any facts they have forgotten. Pause the video here and complete the task. Mental learning objective: I know my multiplication facts. Main learning objective: I know the relationship between multiplication and division. I can make rectangular arrays. I can write times and divide. Key idea: I can review work. I can establish pairs of factors. Main learning task: look at this array. Suggest the two multiplications that describe the array. Pause the video. Did you get 8 lots of 3 and 3 lots of 8? How could we describe this? What division sentences could I use? For example, how many 3's in 24? Pause the video and discuss this array. How could the 24 counters be rearranged? Pause the video and discuss the different ways you could organize it. We could write it as 4 rows of 6. Get into pairs. Write 2 multiplication and 2 divisions. Pause the video until they are ready. How many ways can you rearrange these 24 counters in rectangular arrays? Pause the video and discuss a little bit more. Pairs of numbers 8 and 3, 6 and 4, 12 and 2, and 24 and 1 are all factors of 24. So they can all make rectangular arrays. Simplification: children can use counters or squared paper to model their work. Challenge: children can look for numbers less than 100 with the most factors. I'm going to give you 4 more numbers. I want to know how many different arrays you can make. I want 4 multiplication and 4 division equations that describe each array. Find all the arrays and 4 multiplication and division equations for 20, 36, 45, and 42. Pause the video and let the children or students complete this activity. Main learning objective: I know the relationship between multiplication and division. I can make rectangular arrays. I can write times and divide. Ask the children to report back on the work they have done. Children working on simplification show the arrays they have made. Pause the video and discuss their work. Sort all the numbers from 1 to 36 in the Venn diagram below. Has a factor of 2, has a factor of 3, and has a factor of both. Pause the video and complete the chart. For homework, pupils can take home the Take 5 worksheet and play the game on their own or with a partner. Roll a dice. Arrange to make 2-digit numbers. Find every factor of a 2-digit number. Cover these with counters. First to cover a line of 5 squares is the winner. Review of key idea. I can review work. I can establish pairs of factors. Did you learn this today? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!